My name is Kennedy Molosoi Munandi. I act as the branch manager in Mogotio branch. Actually, the branch was started way back in 2012, and we started the branch simply because we wanted to bring those services close to our members. Actually, since we opened the branch, we've been offering what we call mobile service to our clients, but there was need that we do bring the service close to members for our expansion. Actually, in Mogotio branch, we've got so many products that our bank actually has. For example, we've got all the savings products which our clients has. We also have our investment products. We also have loan products and other services which are beneficial to our members. So just to set an iceberg is that we've got savings products which is known as ordinary savings account. We've got Penda Junior account, that is for the children. The ordinary savings actually is for our members to make deposits and withdrawals at the same time. Then on investment part, we've got shares, which is equity shares, there is SACCO shares, which are actually known as deposits, and there are many other investment products we have, like BD savings, where you can save for a certain period, then after your goal has been attained, then you can come get the money, do whatever you want to do. It's actually when you have a target. So when we talk about savings account, they've got so many other benefits. For example, we've got ATM cards, we've got mobile banking whereby you can access your money at the comfort of your bed. We've got ATMs, that is, you can go to any other ATM like KCB ATM, like Family Bank ATM, like DTB ATM, and you can access actually your money which is in Skyline. On top of that, we've got a checkbook where you can draw your money wherever you are. You can write that check to whoever you want to pay, and that check can be deposited in each and every other bank we have in Kenya. And actually all those ordinary savings, they've got what we call loan products too. So on that ordinary savings, our members can access salary advances, our members can access milk advances, long-term loans, development loans, institutional staff loans, also groups like churches, schools. They can even registered groups, they can access loans through all our ordinary savings, whereby we've got each and every savings account has its own product. Actually, our niche product is the institutional staff loan. Simply because they've got good returns, good reception, it is easy to manage, and that is it. In addition with our niche product, that is the institutional staff loan, we've got the business people who happen to be, they majorly do what we call slaughterhouse business. That is, in fact, all the meat which actually are being consumed in a town like Nakuru come from Mogotio. So that means these also assist all our members, and actually it has propelled the circle to where it is, because you find that these members come in a group kind of, then request for loans, make deposits at the end of the month. All these members who actually are in this group can access loans in their personal accounts. In Skyline Circle is that we've got all your financial services, and as they say, one of our members sometimes in a meeting or in a forum once said that if you not join Skyline Circle, you are just like somebody who's not saving. So that is my attitude. It is high time you join Skyline Circle Limited, because we've got all your financial solutions. Thank you.
Skyline Circle, passion for excellence.